Square One Kitchen. Hello everyone, today we are going to be making beef jerky. Now beef jerky is really good after exercise or to bring to nibble on. I found this beef jerky a little bit spicy, but I'm also kind of sensitive to spice. So some people out there that might really like spice, this is probably perfect for you. And even if you don't like spice, this is also probably pretty good for you. It's a delicious, quick and easy snack. Very yummy, especially good if you're going rock climbing. I do a lot of exercise myself, so when I would come home from sports and stuff, I would just have beef jerky because beef jerky is yummy. Unless you're a vegetarian, then you're gonna think I'm a killer, but I didn't kill the cow. It's not my fault. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you very much if you do. If you don't, then I'm sad, but no, I'm joking, I'm not that sad. I'm sorry, I find it so satisfying just when they smush the meat down. It's very nice and calming almost. Cooking and baking are one of those things where once you get good at it, it's very mindless. You can just literally cook for hours, and you can, especially with baking, you can like play with it almost. Not like physically play with it, but you can like change the recipe almost and work with it in different ways. Like you can take your favorite oatmeal cookies and put chocolate chips in it, and that's really good. Or you can take a beef jerky recipe and change it and make it your own beef jerky recipe. Just some examples. I find cooking is really nice because it helps me hang out with my family almost. Because my family and I, we all do a lot of stuff. We are a very busy family. So being able to cook and have fun with it is just very fun. And it'll also help us cook and make more videos if you subscribe and hit the notification bell. But once you have done all that stuff, you dehydrate it, you want to cut it up, and then you have some nice beef jerky. We normally have our beef jerky in a jar on the counter, but you can do whatever you want it. You can put it in a little package.